Guys, in today's video I will be doing a stock or a portfolio analysis of my companies and why I like them. I'll also be giving you guys some in-depth knowledge on why I chose these companies and what I like about them. Okay, so also just to start off this video, I want to be talking about what is happening in Ethereum right now. Like I said yesterday, we kind of just like consolidated. We didn't really do anything on Sunday, and then once Sunday started, we kind of moved up, came right back into this resistance, and then kind of dumped. And honestly, I think that this is a good short. So I kind of just like paper traded this. I didn't really take it. Because also I can't take it because my broker is closed on the weekends, but that's whatever. So yeah, I kind of just like paper traded this short, and yeah, I think it's a good short that I don't know. I think it can reach take profit. So yeah, although we may have a Sunday pump, but I don't know. We had a pretty big sell off here, so I don't really know. Alright, and then some of the companies that I wanted to talk about in my portfolio analysis was first is Medline, which is a new IPO. It came out on Wednesday, I think. Yeah, and I mean, it just went up a ton. I'm up 42.41% on it because I only got allocated a share. I kind of wanted more, but that is okay. And yeah, and I think Medline's like a great company. They're one of the biggest medical suppliers in the country. They're also one of the biggest IPOs, I think, since Rivian, which was, I don't even know what that is. But yeah, Medline is a great company. They're backed by people like Carlyle and BlackRock. They do have kind of high debt, but honestly, it's relatively it's not like crazy amount of debt, and also they use this IPO to help pay off some of their debts. And yeah, overall I think that they're a great company. They're one of like the biggest medical suppliers all across the US and across other countries too. Okay, and now let's get into my other company, Eli Lilly. I really like Eli Lilly. I did sell off a bit of it. I had more invested, but yeah, this company has just gone up a crazy amount. If you look at the 3 month, they're up 43.15%. And yeah, I started buying like mid-October when they're 8.19, and they're about like, yeah, 8.25 was my average cost. But yeah, they've just been going up so much. They're the biggest healthcare company in the world, and yeah, they have so many great drugs. Like they have Wegovy, which is a weight loss drug that's very similar to Ozempic, and they're just taking up so much market share. They're developing oral drugs, and they have so many other like subsidiaries of that company, and they're doing very great. The next company that I want to talk about is Ondas, which is a drone company that, I mean, it's called Ondas Holdings because this company has like so many other companies within it, if you kind of understand what that means. Basically, yeah, they acquire drone companies that range from like defense drones to like drones that you would see at like a show or something. So yeah, they have a bunch of different kinds of things, and they're becoming a great player. The drone market is expanding at a huge amount, and they are trying to capitalize off of that by owning, yeah, one of the biggest drone companies in the world. They are still unprofitable, which isn't the best, but They're looking to become profitable by I think 2027, and their revenue is growing at a huge rate, which makes it great. And they also keep acquiring a bunch of companies that will help them reach this goal. Okay, and then the next company that I have is Robinhood, which is the broker that I use. I don't use it to trade, I use Webull to trade, but this company is great, and yeah, I didn't really put that much money in, but I don't know. I think that their valuation is a bit too high right now. As you can see, their PE is 50, which isn't, I mean, for some like growth stocks, that's not like insane, but I think that they should cool off a bit. And they honestly have, like in the past 3 months are down like 1.5, down from their highs of like 150. So honestly, now wouldn't be like a terrible time to buy, but also, I don't know. I do have some cash too that I may allocate, and I could also sell off my Medline share. And then here's some other companies. I won't go over all of them because that may take a while, but Bloom Energy is an energy company. They're use nuclear, and they're trying to just trying to create more power, and they create like fuel cell things. They're still unprofitable, as you can see here, but yeah, they're working to just become one of the big energy companies, and they have had a pretty big sell-off from 142 down to 89, so I think they may dip a little bit more. Also, their technicals aren't like great. Let me see. Yeah, they're below like all these things. I mean, if they touch the 200 SMA, I'd definitely buy. But yeah, that's basically my opinion on it. Rocket Lab, many of you know what that is. It's kind of like a SpaceX thing where they're trying to like go to space, put data centers on space, do all types of space stuff. But yeah, they've gone insane over the past week. 20, 60, yeah, wow, that's crazy. And what else do we have? Nebius, this is like a hyperscaler, is what they call them. It's just like provides infrastructure, GPUs, cloud, data, all that type of stuff. PE is also very high. And they've had a pretty big run up. Yeah, 242, but yet again, they're down from their highs of 135. Sorry. So, yeah, I mean, all these stocks have just, none of them have really, or most of them are, like down from their highs. Same with Iron. It's Bitcoin, kind of 2-in-1. They're like a Bitcoin treasury company, data center, all that type of stuff. Down from their highs of 76 to now 40. And what else? Webull, it's another company. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an in-depth assessment of my portfolio. I maybe won't post too much over the next couple weeks because I'm going on vacation for Christmas. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks so much.